I'm Marc Jones and I'm standing as chair of Plaid Cymru. We need somebody at the heart of the party who will ensure that our most important asset, the members, are heard loud and clear. If I'm elected chair, my priority will be to build Plaid Cymru in every part of Wales. Plaid Cymru gyfa. I come from an area where we've had to build Plaid from a very low base, so I understand that members can sometimes despair. Building our party is not a sprint, it's a marathon, but it can be done. Our nation is facing some big challenges right now: a cost of living crisis, an environmental crisis, and a challenge to our very existence as a nation from a resurgent unionism. That's why Plaid needs to step up. I was first elected as a councillor in 2008 and now lead a group of 9 councillors. We're the biggest group in the Wrexham constituency. I'm a journalist by trade, and that's about listening as much as communicating. I also chair Plaid Cymru's trade union section, Undeb, and established Site Seren, Wrexham's Welsh Centre, more than a decade ago. As well as being the voice of members and staff, I want to improve communications in both directions within the party. We win when we listen to the people, when we speak up for them in our campaigning, and they trust us. Many of you are also doing this in your communities. We have to learn from best practice throughout the party. I want to empower the grassroots membership. At its best, Plaid is the most dynamic party in Welsh politics, delivering free school meals, action on housing and in our councils. Labour, without our cooperation agreement, would be floundering. It's bereft of ideas. So now we've got 40 months to step up and make sure we're the biggest party in the next Senedd. With your help, I will energise the grassroots and support the good work being done at every level, in our councils, in Westminster and the Senedd. Vote for me, let's make Plaid Cymru the party for every part of Wales.